Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your avatar on your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your avatar, just tap on your profile image at the top left section, or you can tap on the menu icon and then tap on your profile. Now from your profile page, tap on the edit profile button and now you will see your avatar and the edit button alongside it. Go ahead and tap on it and now this will take you into your avatar edit page. You can make your desired changes with your hair, makeup, face as well as body and your outfits. After choosing your desired preferences, you can also choose your wardrobe. And when you are done, you can tap on the save button and once you confirm your changes, your avatar will be changed on your Facebook account right away. You will now be able to use this avatar while making your comments. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your avatar and make changes on your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.